Welcome to Drone Education Services. I'd like to talk about my very first seminar, Drone Technology and its Impact on the Appraisal Profession. It's a 7-hour seminar, and it's the integration of drone technology to real estate. I've broken it down into a morning and afternoon session. The morning session starts with an introduction, and that's basically how I became interested in the technology and various contributors to the seminar and why it's important to understand. Next, I go into some history and evolution of the drone technology, and then I go into some applications to real estate. Next, I go into rules and regulations like drone registration, how to get your commercial certification, state and federal laws. Next, I go into the benefits of drones to real estate. Then I cover the pros of drone usage for appraisers and real estate professionals. Then I cover the cons for real estate appraisers and real estate professionals. Then, if time permits, I'll put a demonstration together. Next, I'll go through what does it mean to do an inspection, and then the necessary checklist. And then finally, I have a mock highest and best use and market analysis, incorporating drone technology to real estate. Please consider this seminar. It's been delivered in 29 states, and it has been given state and organizational approval for a variety of different real estate industries. Thank you.